Method 1. Disable high precision event timer. First, let's head to Device Manager. Right click on Start button. Select Device Manager. Look for high precision event timer. Right click on it and choose Disable if it is enabled. This might help in some cases, but we will explore other options. Method 2. Open Settings. You might see Power and Sleep Settings or Edit Power Plan. Click whichever options appear. Then click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Here you should see an option to change settings that are currently available. Expand it. Now look for Processor Power Management. Set minimum power state to higher percentage like 80%. This helps your CPU stay more active for demanding tasks. Method 3. Managing startup programs. Right click on Start button, open Task Manager, go to the Startup tab. Here you can disable programs that you don't need to run at startup. Restart and enjoy smoother gameplay. Method 4. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and R together. In the pop-up window, type DFRGUI and press Enter. This opens Disk Defragmenter. Select your system drive usually see. Click Optimize. Method 5. Search for command prompt in Windows search bar. Right click on it and select Run as administrator. In CMD, you'll copy the command from description and paste it. You can right click inside the command prompt window to paste the command. Press Enter to run it. Once that's done, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. This process will verify and repair system files. Wait for the verification to finish before closing the command prompt. Method 6. Press the Windows key and R together. In the pop-up window, type gpedit.msc and press Enter. This opens the local group policy editor. Navigate through the folders on the left side. Computer configuration, administrative template, Windows component. Click App Privacy. Double click on the policy called Let Windows Run in the background. Here you'll need to change a setting. I'll show you exactly what to do in the value. By adjusting these policy, you can control which apps are allowed to run in the background. Method 7. Press the Windows key and R key together. In the pop-up window, type powercfg.cpl and press Enter. This opens the power option window. If you are using a laptop, I recommend choosing the balanced power plan for better battery life and performance. If you are using a desktop PC, you can choose high performance. Method 8. Open Chrome. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Go to the settings. Select System section. There is an option called Continue Running Background App when Google Chrome is closed. Turn the option off. Method 9. Keep your Windows system updated is important for various reasons, including performance improvement. Search for update in the Windows search bar. Select Check for update. Click the button to check for available update. If there are any updates, install them and restart your computer. Method 10. Search for Edit Power Plan in the search bar. Click on Edit Power Plan. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Expand Processor Power Management. Click on Maximum Processor State. Change the value from 100 to a number between 90 and 100. Example 90. Click Apply. Click on OK. Method 11. Open Control Panel. Press the Windows key and type Control Panel. Select the Control Panel application. Click on System. In System window, click on Advanced System Settings. On the right side, change Virtual Memory Setting. In the System Processor Properties window, ensure you are in Advanced tab. Click on Settings button under the Performance section. Go to the Advanced tab again. Click on Change under Virtual Memory. Set Custom Virtual Memory. Uncheck the box for automatically manage paging file size for all drive. Select your system drive, usually C. Set both initial and maximum site to 4096. Method 12. Turn off background apps. Click on the Start menu. Click on Settings. Click on Privacy. Click on Background Apps. Toggle the switch to off for all apps you don't want running in the background. Method 13. Type powercfg.cpl in the Windows search bar. Click on Balanced or choose another power plan that suits your need. Method 14. Right click on the taskbar. Click on Task Manager. Click on the Startup tab. Right click on each program you want to disable and select Disable. Method 15. Type services.msc in the Windows search bar. Find sys main in the list of services. Right click on sys main and select Properties. Change the startup type to Disabled. Click Apply and then OK. Method 16. Type msconfig in the Windows search bar. Click on the Services tab. Check the box for Hide all Microsoft services. Click on Disable all button. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Restart your computer. Method 17. Type services.msc in the Windows search bar. Find Windows Update. Change startup type to Disable. Method 18. Search Windows Search. Make startup type to Disable. Click Apply. Method 19. Open Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Hover over to More Tools and select Task Manager. Identify process with high CPU usage. Click on the process and select End Process to close it. Method 20. Click on the three dots in the top right corner again. Go to the More Tools, select Extension. Find extension you really use. Toggle the switch off or remove it. Method 21. Right click on Start button. Select Windows PowerShell Admin. In the PowerShell window, type systemreset.exe and press Enter. Choose between Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Keep My Files will remove program but keep your documents and data. Remove Everything will release all your files and program. Proceed with the reset and your PC will be reset to factory settings. Method 22. Open Start menu. Search for Power. Click on Edit Power Plan. In the window that appears, click Change Advanced Power Settings. Select High Performance or Ultra High Performance. Expand Processor Power Management. Set minimum processor state to 0%. Set maximum processor state to 100%. Click Apply and then OK. Method 23. Right click on the taskbar. Select Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Disable any programs you don't want to run at startup. Restart your computer. Method 24. Click on the Windows search bar. Type CMD. Right click and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type the following command. Copy and paste from description. Press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. Restart your computer. You can find the specific command mentioned in the video description. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and address the cause of high CPU usage in your Windows 10 or 11 system. Method 25. Search for Control Panel. Open the Windows search bar. Type Control Panel. Open Power Options. Change Plan Setting. Click on Change Plan Setting next to your currently active power plan. Change Advanced Power Settings. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Expand Processor Power Management. In the new window, scroll down and expand Processor Power Management. Make it to 90%. Save changes, click on Apply, click on OK. Method 26. Search for Add or Remove programs. Find and uninstall programs you suspect might be causing high CPU usage. Method 27. Search for settings and open it. Go to the additional setting. Turn off Get Tips and Suggestion and Unnecessary App Notification. Method 28. Search for services and open it. Find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Change its startup type to disable and click on OK. Method 29. Press Windows key plus R. Type mdsched.exe in the run box and press enter. Choose Restart Now and check for problem. Windows will restart and automatically run the memory diagnostic tool.